Cool, traction up, straight away picks up. Yo my people, welcome back to the channel. It's a nice Friday evening. I've done a POV already, but today we're doing a POV on my modified Astra Vxr. Oi, hey, don't get me gassed, you know. Hey, I done the stock one here, but today we're doing the modified. Now, you haven't seen the video on my previous stock one, click the link here. If you haven't seen the video of the me taking this car to get modified, click the link up here. But anyways guys, we're gonna do a POV. Without no further ado, let's get right into this video. Oh, sorry, if you're new to this channel, please like my video, please subscribe to my channel, because let me know I'm actually doing something out, you know what I'm saying? And also follow me on my social if you like. I'm always posting on my social, Instagram every single time. But anyways people, just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Alright, cool my people. Obviously we've got the POV point of view right now. So without any further ado, we're gonna get right into this vid. So let's get right into it. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Nah, you lot, this actually, so I'm gonna let down my windows a little bit so we can hear this, yeah? You saw the traction, like, it's not the best of weathers today, so I don't know if I'm gonna get in a grip. But yeah, the weather is not really the best in it. But obviously I got some nice B roads now that I could just test this car out, front wheel drive. I might turn off traction in a minute. So could you see wheel spinning? Oh, too much wheel spin there. Can you actually hear the exhaust? Can you hear it? And you know the beautiful thing about this exhaust, yeah, is like every time you do a gear change, innit, it does that little pow. I'll see if I can show it to you lot in a minute, innit? It does that little pow. Now watching it. Now I can't, this wheel spinning, so I'm not getting the full power. But let's see if I can do it in a minute. The weather is so bad, I can't drive this. I'll turn up traction in a minute. Hey you lot, let me know in the comment section what you think of this car, of the sound and everything about this car. I'm gonna take this car into town in a minute and we're gonna, like, hopefully we could get some reaction from people. It sounds nice when it's stuck, it sounds nicer when it's stationary, but it sounds amazing when it's driving. That's why I'll tell you that for free, mate. Cool, traction up, straight away picks up. Did you not hear that? It wasn't that loud, but I can't really do a full send because I'm driving traction off right now. Woof! You see, when the sport mode is on, it just pops unprovoked. You know what I'm saying? Take this corner nicely. Look at that, nice and easy within the speed limit. Downshift, send it. See guys, I'm being extra careful here because I do know I'm driving with no traction, so you gotta take this carefully. Nice. Whoa, you can tell the traction was off. Yo, we'll turn it off. That's enough fun. That's enough fun there. Let's turn traction back on because the weather's not really the best to be doing this in. But I promise you, if it was a nice sunny day, when the weather, the ground were dry and stuff, I will fully go traction off all the way. Quick plug in. Guys, if you're new to this channel and you haven't seen me shouting, check out Fresh Chameleon and use my discount code, that guy. Well, this is me doing it again. So basically guys, go on Fresh Chameleon if you want. Oh, I haven't got it in right now because I need to do another order. So basically Fresh Chameleon, they do like fragrances that makes your car smell nice and stuff. Go on the website. If you don't want to pay the full price, I'll plug you. Just use the code, that guy, and you get 10% off. And I think my mate has got a little mist thing coming up soon. I can't really disclose much information on that because he hasn't given me any information on that, but as soon as he gives me any information, you already know. DTG Goons, I've been thinking about a name to call our family because I think it's a family. Just subscribe to me, you watch my videos, I create content for you lot to enjoy, you like the videos. So DTG Goons, does it go? DTG Goons, let me know. Fin, DTG Goons, does that sound nice? Welcome back to the channel, DTG Goons. Does that roll off the tongue nicely? I hope it does. But I don't think it was about, because this is not really the weather to be about in. This is like a stay at home, cuddle up, all of that, you know, the full shebang kind of weather. But nah, that guy's out here making content. Come on, we gotta get this content, man. You see, I'm trying to stay consistent, and you lot would definitely agree I've been consistent. Posting on the Sunday, dropping on the Sunday. Dropping on the Sunday, dropping on the Wednesday. Oh, look at the traffic. Give it a little cheeky send. That was no good anyway. Traction. I legit was battling with traction. I'm never shooting a flipping POV this weather again. Maybe when I get an RS3 or all-wheel drive car, then yeah, we could do that. But till then, nah, sir. I chose the wrong time to do this. First thing first, bad weather. Second thing, this is rush hour. Third thing, bad weather. But it's alright. Stay out, yeah. Stay out. That's my win. Hey, my way. Okay, what direction do we want to go? Straight, left, up to me. I'll go straight. Asbo, man. This car is actually Asbo, fam. And drop a cheeky comment, because I replied to them. Just to show you lot that I do reply to my comments, so. Someone said you look like Big Shack. Lol. Nay. Big Shack. Why is my thing not typing? Big Shack looks like me. Nothing emoji. Give it a heart though, because he did comment on my videos, so that's all I like. Interaction. So you see what I done there, yeah? I do reply my comments, so if you like actually put a comment down, I'm gonna reply, because I'll be capping then if I don't reply to you. Got all my comments, I reply to everything, because I do appreciate you lot commenting and actually watching this vid and putting up with my bullshit, because all I do is drive this car, and I tell you not to subscribe when the people out there driving Lamborghinis. Demo. This is the 3S. Demo. And there's Tommy with the Astra Vxr. That guy. And I'm still telling you to subscribe. But please do subscribe. I appreciate it. I do appreciate it. I very much do appreciate it. Subscribe. Not only subscribe, like the vid. I can't count the number of times I've been screaming this. But anyways guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. Thanks for watching all the way to this point. Please subscribe if you haven't. As I said, it's so expensive for me to do these videos, because like this car drinks a lot of petrol now that I've modified it, so I'm trying not to drive as much as I can, but I can't just stop this content coming through. But yeah, please subscribe, tell a friend about this video, drop a cheeky comment, and until to the next video, as always, it's been your boy That Guy. One love and peace out. How?